Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. A Jamaican citizen went to the Jamaican police station to make a citizen complaint, and she got her face slapped by the police officer, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's Rastafari soldier. Yeah, your favorite Jamaican. Yeah, hit that red subscribe button, and we're going to have a great relationship, ladies and gentlemen. Remember to turn that notification bell on. It's a breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. The Jamaican police are being investigated for an incident that sends shockwaves over the social media, ladies and gentlemen. It appeared that the citizen of Jamaica went to the police station, and unfortunately, a commotion broke out. The argument ensued with the police officer, and unfortunately, he lost his temper and assaulted the citizen, ladies and gentlemen. Videos are being circulated on the social media of the incident. It's a unfortunate situation once again, as we pick up the little quarrel. Showed that there was a argument between the officer and the complainant. It appears that the officer boxed the woman, and as you see, the citizen was perturbed, and other people, actually family members, tried to console her as other onlookers explained to the police that wrong. There's no way. Then this young woman not have no brother and sister. That's why certain egregious situation continue. As you hear in the background, the people them saying, you could hear a voice of citizens saying that you cannot pepper spray the people them. And as you see in the video, ladies and gentlemen, that is being displayed, there are children presented there. So it appears to have been a domestic issue that was being reported. And it's unfortunate that the officer lost his cool, apparently, from disrespect of the complainant. Now you could hear the sound of the, look at the officer, very disrespectful at that point right there. It appears that he actually put his hand on the young woman, and she's irate. And if I was this young woman, I would be pressing charges on the officer for assault, and I would be suing the Jamaican Consular Force for damages, ladies and gentlemen. This is a disrespect again to citizens of Jamaica. It's unfortunate that these kind of things are still prevalent in the constabulary force. It appears that Jamaican police do not respect the Jamaican citizen. Imagine a citizen come to the police station where they feel that they would be protected, and guess what? Unbelievable. The same people that the citizen went to protect them violate them wickedly. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari soldier here of Deep Roots TV, reporting on this egregious situation. This should not happen. Disrespect of our women and children are being profusely populated and being normalized. And I'm telling you, I am calling for suspension and fines to be levied up on this disrespectful officer. That's no way to treat a citizen, much less a woman. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari soldier here of Deep Roots TV, reporting live. Yeah, giving my staunch disapproval of what occurred in this video here. This officer should be reprimanded by his upper echelons and should be fined, suspended, and the woman should be compensated for the embarrassment that was levied upon her by this officer and the JCF. I'm Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your comment on this. More life and more job.
My name is Ashina, and welcome welcome to Deep Roots TV. Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the air every time.
North, East, West, South. Acronym for news. Deep Root TV you cannot refuse. I mean I say it's a global TV. I mean I say the people them TV. I mean I say when we say deep, we mean deep, not on top of the surface. We dig deep for the truth and the facts. And we not quote it for the ones that wear jacket and suit. Deep Root TV, you are the truth. I'm Sam. Oh bless I am. Check him out. Deep Root.